Good afternoon, my dear students. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the verb to be. So, our lesson is devoted to the verb to be. Okay, the fundamental of English grammar, and then we are going to talk about the verb to be. The verb to be, we know, is the are, is, am. For example, I am, he, she, it, is, and the you, we, they are. Okay, we got it. And for example, you're my friend. Yes, you're my friend. We are happy at school. They are from Moscow. So in this sentence, we use with you and we, they, the to be verb are. So the next examples, he's a clever boy, she's a kind girl, it's a funny cat. He, she, it will use with the is. Yes, he is a clever boy, she's a kind girl, it's a funny cat. So the last one, am. Yes, I am a pupil of the fifth form. I am a pupil of the first form, and I will use I, pronoun I with the verb am. So let's continue. General questions with to be. So are, is, and the am. Yes, I'm a pupil of the fifth form. He's a clever boy, she's a kind girl, it's a funny cat. Also the examples. Yes, I'm a friend and we're happy at school. They are from Moscow. So in the question form, you put in the first place is to be verb in first place. Is, am, are. Okay, you got it? For example, am I a pupil of the fifth form? Am I a pupil of the fifth form? In the question forms, in the general questions, you'll put to be verb in the first place before the pronoun. He, she, it, is. And for example, next one. Next one. Yes, I am. No, I am not. It's the answers of this question. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, I am. No, I am not. So next one. Is he a clever boy? Is he a clever boy? Is in the first place also, and then you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Yes, he is. No, he is not. It's the answer. Yes, he is in the right form. In the wrong form, no, he is not. Is she a kind girl? Yes, she is. No, she is not. Is it a funny cat? Yes, it is. No, it is not. If you want the answer in the yes form, you use the yes, it is. If you use the verb answer with no, you must write it is not. Yes, no, it is not. So, I am my friend. Also, yes, I am. No, I'm not. You're my friend, and in the question form are put in the first place. I am my friend. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. It's the answer of this question. Are we happy at school? Are we happy at school? Yes, we are. No, we are not. Are they from Moscow? Yes, they are. No, they are not. So, negative sentence with to be. So next one, negative sentence with to be. You, we, they, and he, she, it, and also I. Are, is, am. Yes, I'm not. You'll use the auxiliary verb, auxiliary word not. Are not, aren't in a short form. Aren't in a full form. You'll use are not. Write down. Is, isn't. isn't, isn't. In short form, is not is the full form, isn't is the short form. Am not, am not, am not, am not. So, for example, I'm not a people of the I'm not people of the fifth form. It's also the I'm not, I am. It's a short form. You'll use without any doubt. You'll use the I'm not. So next one, he is not a clever boy. She is not. She isn't a kind girl. It is not. It is a funny cat. It isn't a funny cat. He is not. Isn't a clever boy. She is not. She is not. After auxiliary is. After to be, you put the not. It's in a negative sentence. You are not my friend. We are not aren't happy at school. They aren't from Moscow. They aren't from Moscow. So next examples with to be. Yes. What's your name? My name is Kate. Okay. How old are you? I'm 11 years old. I'm 11 years old. How old is she? In the question form is put in front of them pronoun she. Yeah, is she? How old is she? She is 15 years old. She is 15 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Russia. And where is she from? She is from Canada. How are you? I'm fine. What's your job? I'm a doctor. What's your job? She is the teacher. So exercise with to be. Запомните, просто использую am is are. You must use am is are. For example, we are pupils of Moscow school. Yeah, I'm 20 years old. Is Kate from the USA? He's an actor of the theater. Are Mark and the John friends? Mark and the Johns in the plural form, so that's why you'll use are. How old are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Jane isn't very well. She is ill. What is his address? It is 10 Queen's Road, London. We are pupils of Moscow school, so let's check. I'm 20. Is Kate from the USA? He is an actor of the theater. And Mark and the John friends. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Yes. Jane is not well, no. She's ill. What is his address? It is 10 Queen's Road, London. So, once more exercise with to be. We must write, we must give the short answer of the question. Are you people? No, I am not. Yes. Is his telephone number 4638769? No, it is not my number. Is it your name? Yes, it is my name. Is Mary happy? No, Mary is not happy. Are they from Russia? Are they from Russia? Yes, they are from Russia. Is this book new? This book is new. Are we good friends? Yes, we are good friends. No, it is not. Yes, it is. Yes, she is. No, they are not. No, it isn't. Yes, we are. So, once more exercise with to be. We must write down, we must make up the question form of the sentence, or the words. Must make up the sentence. Father. How is your father old? How are you? What is your job? Where are you from? Are you happy? Is your mother a doctor? What's your name? What's your telephone number? How old is your father? How old is your father? Yes. Then how are you? What is your job? Where are you from? Also, happy? Are you happy? Is your mother a doctor? What's your name? What's your telephone number? So let's continue. Let's repeat our lesson. To be, the verb to be will use, we know, as the am, is, and the are. The форма глагола to be. Yes? Глагол переводится как быть, являться, находиться. Все формы имеют полную и совершенную форму. Единственное число. Первое лицо, второе, третье лицо. Первое лицо I am, you are, she is, he, she, it is. Who we are, you are, and they are. Сокращенная форма единственное число. Первое лицо I am, you are, she is. So he is and it is. It's the short forms of the verbs. We are, you are, they are. I'm a pupil, you are pupil, she is the pupil, he is the pupil, it is the dog. So in the plural form, we are pupils, you are pupils, they are pupils. Ставьте форму глагола to be in himself. You are cook. You are cook. It is a kind. It is a kind. She's a queen. It's a cock. We are chicks. I'm a pupil. He is a student. Then must put the forms of the to be, am, is, and are. How old is your sister Rose? My father and mother from Moscow. I am a good student. They are cold and sad. I am 12. We are in London. My brother and I are 7. It is a quick box. And the negative forms. I'm not a student. You are not a student. And she is not a student. He is not a student also. Especially we will use them with the he, she, it. The is, yes, to be. So we are not students, you are not students. So in these ways we must write down the negative forms of this sentence. It is an aunt, it is not an aunt. We are kids, we are not the kids. It is a queen, it's not a queen, yes. You are a cock, you are not a cock. He is a people, he is not a people. I'm a troll, I'm not a troll. You are horses, you are not horses. They are frogs, they are not frogs. So